Hello, hello. Sue here. Just wanted to quick pop on and talk about the CBD kits, premium starter kits from Young Living. I was one of your biggest skeptics about CBD before I learned more about it. Welcome, welcome. My name is Sue and I'm from Minnesota. Feel free to tell us where you're coming in from and how are you doing. So, back up to the CBD. They have two different CBD kits with Young Living. And you guys, if you know anything about Young Living, the first thing is their Seed to Seal promise. So if you go to seedtoseal.com, and I can put that in the link below, you will see that we are different from every other company out there, not just with our essential oils, but also with our CBD. So they have a extra strength, and they also have the standard. And I'm going to speak about the standard because I did not have to go into the extra strength and use it. So thankfully, I'm really happy that I did not have to. So when you buy the standard costs $165 for the set. And with this, you get the citrus, the liquid CBD, and what I do is I just put that sublingually under my tongue, a quarter of a squirt before I go to bed, and I sleep really good. A lot of people use it for many other things, helping control a little bit of your inflammation. It works really sweet with that. It works, like I said, with sleep for myself. It also has worked. I was trying to see if I could work this in and use this in place of like stress weighing them, and I've actually been doing really good lately. I'm really lucky in that I'm cutting out all of the oils and just trying this straight up to see how it's working, and it's going really good. Okay, the next is Calm Roller. Who doesn't need calm, right? Just anytime you need a little bit of calm in your life, just roll it on. Yep, just roll it on. And with the standard kit, it's like you get this for free. And then, of course, the muscle rub. That's what actually sold me when it first came out, is I got a sample and I put that on my ankle, and I just had a sprain strain. It was like right between the 6 to 7 week mark when it came out. And I put it on my ankle, and I couldn't believe that I could step on it without pain. So then I had my daughter go back and get a couple more because I was afraid of it going out of stock, and that, I'd get home and I'd be just getting into it and have such great results that I would not have another bottle of it because it is all natural, no synthetics. So when it goes out of stock, it goes out of stock. So that's one beauty part of growing with Young Living. When they grow so fast, things can go out of stock. So yeah, so this is their standard CBD set. And just to tell you a little bit about the quality of the product with Young Living CBD, I just want to tell you just a little bit about that. Hold on one second. Let's see if I can get back to that page. Okay. So when we're talking about the CBD, the liquid, which is so good, you can get 3 different flavors, but in the starter kit, it comes with the, let's see here, because I like them all. My favorite, to be honest, is the cinnamon, but this is the citrus, and then you get the cool mint. But the citrus is the one that most people love, so it comes in this starter kit. And I love the cinnamon, the hint of cinnamon in there, so that's me. But you get the CBD without THC, so you don't get the high off it, which is really what most people are looking for, is to just feel good, right? So this is what we get in here. Hold on again. I think I didn't go far enough back. I guess I didn't. Let's see here. Products. Click on it. 1 second here. Okay, so with the marriage of the CBD oil and the Young Living essential oils, it brings out the best in both because they accent each other so beautifully. Nature's Ultra packs pure CBD and combines it with the best essential oils in the marketplace to provide an exclusive Smart Spectrum formula that's backed by Seed to Seal, which I talked about already. Experience the power of plants when Young Living essential oils and Nature's Ultra CBD combine. So how cool is that? So you get your seed to seal, which means, like I said, stringent guidelines in sourcing science and standards to ensure that you're using the best ingredients so that you steer clear of CBD products that are tainted, poorly cultivated, and untested. Your wellness journey deserves better, and our quality commitment is here to support you. So our CBD products are the only CBD products on the market formulated with smart spectrum science. What that means is a CBD isolate and the terpenes from essential oils to make a CBD product that is broader and more robust. Their terpenes found in essential oils can also increase the overall efficiency of the product. So how cool is that? So what does that mean? You know, it means it just works with your body better than some of them synthetics, right? So you'll see that I seriously, these last so long. Like, this is amazing product. I love the smell of that mint in there. It's like really good, that little bit of mint. So when you look at it, you know, like I said, what are the things that you're looking to use these for? Like if you're coming off after a surgery and you're looking for a little boost of, the muscles to work a little bit better. This is super good for after that, an injury, you know, for your muscles and the tissues, whatever. It's really good. I get really super tight neck after I've been in a few different car accidents over the years. And this just loosens it up within seconds of putting on. And you guys, you put it on super, super thin. So you see this? Like, that is enough. Now watch how far this spreads. I always tell people, keep spreading it until you do not see, you know, look at how far that is. Like, that stuff spreads really far. You really watch how much you use of it because it should last you a super, super long time. Don't get too exuberant with it, right? So yeah, I love that stuff because it works so amazing. For your general aches and pains. Sometimes I get the low back ache sitting in the chair all the time at work here in my office. It works for that too. So there you have it. There's so many uses for it. Feel free to give it a try. And if you want a sample, just find me on Facebook and message me. I'd be glad to send you a sample. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.